Are you ready to unlock new horizons in the world of email marketing? In this video, I will introduce you to 3 incredible tools that can transform your approach to customer communication. From automation to result analysis, these programs will offer new opportunities for efficient work. Don't miss your chance to learn how to master email marketing with these software tools.
Constant Contact is a leading email marketing solution specifically designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It simplifies the process of creating professional email campaigns, empowering businesses to engage effectively with their customers. With its intuitive interface, you don't need to be a tech expert to launch successful marketing campaigns. Constant Contact is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their marketing strategy without overwhelming complexity. Build stunning email campaigns using a vast library of customizable templates. The drag-and-drop editor allows you to create engaging emails by simply dragging elements like images, text boxes, and buttons into your layout. You can even use A/B testing to find out what resonates best with your audience by testing different subject lines or content. Set up automated email sequences to nurture leads and enhance customer relationships. For example, if someone signs up for your newsletter, you can automatically send them a series of welcome emails introducing your brand and offerings. This approach keeps your audience engaged and informed, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Utilize advanced segmentation tools to divide your email list into specific groups based on demographics, purchase history, or engagement levels. This capability enables you to send targeted campaigns, improving open rates and conversions. For instance, you can create a segment for past customers to promote a new product they might be interested in. Gain insights into your campaign performance with detailed analytics. Constant Contact tracks important metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement levels. You can use this data to fine-tune your future campaigns, making informed decisions based on what works best. Promote your email campaigns through social media channels. With built-in social media tools, you can easily share your email content on platforms like Facebook and Twitter, broadening your reach and attracting new subscribers. Imagine you run a local bakery. With Constant Contact, you can create a visually appealing email showcasing your new seasonal pastries. By segmenting your audience, you can send this email specifically to customers who have purchased pastries in the past, increasing the likelihood of repeat sales. After sending the campaign, you can analyze the results to see how many people clicked through to your website to order. Constant Contact is more than just an email marketing tool. It's a comprehensive digital marketing partner. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and excellent customer support make it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. The platform offers a free 60-day trial, allowing you to explore its features risk-free. Your strategy for personalized marketing. Adobe Campaign is an advanced campaign management platform that enables businesses to create, orchestrate, and optimize personalized marketing campaigns across multiple channels. As part of the Adobe Experience Cloud, it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe solutions, empowering marketers to deliver consistent and impactful customer experiences. Leverage customer data to create highly personalized messages. For example, if a customer frequently buys sports equipment, you can send them tailored promotions on the latest gear, enhancing their shopping experience. Manage your campaigns across various channels, including email, SMS, social media, and web. This omni-channel approach ensures that your messaging remains consistent, regardless of how customers choose to interact with your brand. Automate your marketing workflows to save time and improve efficiency. For instance, set up a series of automated emails that nurture leads based on their actions on your website, such as downloading a white paper or signing up for a webinar. Utilize powerful analytics tools to gain insights into campaign performance. Adobe Campaign provides in-depth reports that allow you to track engagement, conversion rates, and customer behavior. enabling you to make data-driven decisions. Adobe Campaign integrates effortlessly with other Adobe products, creating a cohesive marketing ecosystem. This integration allows for enhanced tracking and optimization, ensuring that your marketing efforts are aligned across all channels. Consider a fashion retailer using Adobe Campaign to enhance its marketing efforts. By analyzing customer data, the retailer can identify trends and preferences among its audience. With this information, they can create targeted email campaigns that showcase new arrivals tailored to specific customer segments, improving engagement and driving sales. Adobe Campaign is ideal for businesses looking to elevate their marketing strategies through advanced personalization and analytics. Its robust features and seamless integrations provide marketers with the tools they need to deliver exceptional customer experiences and drive measurable results. A platform for scalable marketing. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a comprehensive marketing automation platform that helps businesses create, manage, and optimize scalable marketing campaigns across various channels. As part of the Salesforce ecosystem, it provides unparalleled capabilities for data-driven marketing, customer engagement, and seamless integration with other Salesforce products. Develop visually appealing email campaigns that engage your audience. With advanced personalization features, you can tailor content based on customer preferences, ensuring maximum relevance. Manage your brand's presence on social media through integrated tools. Schedule posts, analyze engagement metrics, and respond to customer inquiries from a central dashboard, streamlining your social media marketing efforts. Visualize and manage customer journeys with ease. Salesforce Marketing Cloud allows you to create personalized pathways for each customer segment, ensuring every touchpoint is optimized for engagement and conversion. Utilize robust analytics tools to track campaign performance and customer interactions across all channels. Salesforce provides actionable insights, enabling you to adjust your strategies in real time for improved results. Reach your audience on the go with mobile marketing solutions, including SMS and push notifications. This feature allows you to communicate with customers at their convenience, enhancing engagement and response rates. A travel company using Salesforce Marketing Cloud can create personalized email campaigns to promote vacation packages. By analyzing customer data, they can target specific segments, such as families or solo travelers, with tailored offers. The company can also utilize customer journey mapping to ensure that all touchpoints from initial inquiry to booking confirmation are seamless and engaging. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the perfect solution for large enterprises aiming to optimize their marketing efforts at scale. Its powerful features, extensive analytics, and seamless integrations with other Salesforce products empower marketers to deliver exceptional customer experiences and drive significant business growth. In conclusion, Constant Contact, Adobe Campaign, and Salesforce Marketing Cloud offer unique capabilities that can significantly enhance your marketing strategies. Each platform is designed to meet the needs of different businesses, whether you're a small bakery looking to engage customers through email marketing, a fashion retailer seeking advanced personalization, or a travel company aiming to optimize customer journeys at scale. Are you ready to elevate your marketing game? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert insights, tips, and strategies to help your business thrive in the competitive digital landscape. Join our community and unlock the potential of your marketing efforts today.